This is one of the ways I keep weeds down in the garden. This is like a Planet Jr head, made by another company, I believe. This is a 1 foot wide stirrup hoe from Hoe. All it needs is a motor. You have to excuse looking at my back side. I'll catch you on the return. It pays to cultivate often with this tool, as it's not real good at great big weenies. I'll be turning around here shortly, but I've got to get to the end of the road. Pretty good pivot point. Okra on my right, and our late plant was squash, about August 20th. That's prolific. I'm sorry, that is crookneck. Another crookneck. This is Clemson's finest okra on the right. Here I've done a little damage to it. This end, these were never damaged here at my knee. Try to keep stones up in the garden, keep them out of here. It's not good for the blade. The 1 foot stirrup is available from Hoe. Wonderful tool. I think it's available in 8-inch and maybe 6-inch. I had no idea how old this tool is. I've got some real Planet Jr stuff with the metal wheels, very ornamental, good stuff. I like this one best, oddly enough. I think I paid $90 for it from a local guy. Alright, I've done the other rows. 12-inch stirrup hoe. That's enough to work up a little sweat.